Kenneth Talbot entered the gates of Hillington as the blackout sirens tested. A world at war, a city in shadow, and a factory built to forge the wings of survival. On the factory floor, there was no margin for error. A fraction of an inch meant the difference between a flight home and a silent fall. Under the blackout roofs, they assembled the heart of the Spitfire. 1,000 hands working in the dark, turning cold iron into roaring horsepower. It was a trade of micrometers and absolute nerve. The machinists knew the steel, knew the limits of the metal, and held the line. From the deafening roar of the factory to the quiet warmth of the tenement, the family found its peace. The work was done. 12 generations. One unbroken line. The light is still moving.